right, so I'm gonna give you the actual voicemail with the tonality. Hey Jared, Matt Easton over here at Easton Investments. I work with our higher net worth clients. Wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Click. Not, thanks for calling me. No end. No God bless. No, and no, notice what else wasn't in the front end. No hope your day is going great. No hope you're having a great day. None of that stuff, right? We're landing the damn plane. Why? They're not even going to listen to my message. They're going to read it. And when I talk that skillfully, they're going to be able to read it in one page, right? And the reason why I speak my number is I'm hypertexting it. I'm going doubling down on this, by the way. If any of you got a voicemail from me recently, I'm now saying, wanted to make sure my people got you all the information you needed on the sales coaching over at eastonuniversity.com, because I've tested it. And when I say that, at least into Apple, it hypertexts that piece of it too. Now I have a hypertext for my website. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. By simply adding the .com to my company name, boom, it's hypertexted. So that's the voicemail that I want you to leave. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.